Good morning. So we're going to make our coffee, our bacon and eggs, and get ready for the day. I try to switch up what I do with my keto coffee in the morning. This morning it's going to be 1 tablespoon of Kerrygold butter, 2 tablespoons of that coconut oil, and about a teaspoon of stevia. We have 8 ounces of coffee. I usually eyeball the coconut oil. That's about 2 tablespoons, something like that. In the beginning, it's important to track your macros. You don't have to get this obsessive with it, but why not? I almost forgot. I added 2 tablespoons of this to my bulletproof coffee. This is what I will be going to work with. 2 slices of bacon, 2 eggs, 5 ounces of summer sausage, 2 cheese sticks, and my keto coffee. Dinner looks awesome tonight. That's a half of an avocado with 1.5 pieces of bacon and 1 fried egg chopped up. And of course the salad, because I eat a salad every single night with dinner. Most people wouldn't eat that much chicken, but we're gonna have a fat drink afterwards, so it doesn't matter. I wasn't able to finish that whole chicken breast, by the way. So we're gonna do our fat drink with the baker's chocolate, cocoa, whatever you want to call it. It's 10 ounces of hot water. Everything I'm doing right here is doubled because me and Amanda are sharing it. So it's 5 ounces of hot water. So this is about 2 tablespoons of Kerrygold butter. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of this coconut. This cocoa, baker's chocolate cocoa. Everything's full. Alright. So 1 of those. And 2 of those. And we are going to do 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We are going to do 2 teaspoons of stevia. Mix that up real quick before we hit it with a blender. Alright, that looks pretty blended. Where's our cups at?
Put them in the cabinet. Everything has a spot.
Where are they in the Alright, so get this cup and give you the Disney one. Alright, so I'm going to do about half and half.
Keep it keto.
That kind of fell off in the washer. This wasn't washer friendly.
Was it dishwasher friendly?
Okay, so now that we put that in there, we're going to add the heavy whipping cream now. You don't want to do that beforehand because it'll be all frothy and stuff, and I don't care for that. So we'll do 2 tablespoons per each one. So if you were doing it all total, it would be 4 tablespoons.
So you're saying 2 each?
Yeah, 2 tablespoons in each drink. So we did 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of the cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of whipping cream, the heavy whipping cream, and just 1 teaspoon of stevia. If you want it sweeter, you can put more stevia in it, but stevia is carbs. So
Carbs are bad.
good. All right, taste test.
Taste test.
It's okay. It's not the best. I think you could use probably a little bit more stevia or something else, but it's still doable. Here, you take a test. You tell me. Could use more stevia maybe?
It's good. It's fun.
Doable?
It tastes like cocoa.
All right, so not a lot to add to today. I'm just gonna try to get something to post. That's basically a full day of eating. Not a whole lot of information there. The cocoa fat drink that we had wasn't that great, so we're gonna have to perfect that. I'm so used to drinking that perfect keto that I pretty much forgot how to make that. So we will perfect that. Here's what I currently weigh. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Keep it keto.